We've previously talked about the relationships between corresponding angles, same side interior, alternate interior, and alternate exterior angles. So if you don't know those relationships, make sure you see the link in the description below. But the converse of those theorems is also true. For example, if you look at the corresponding angles theorem, which says that if you have two parallel lines, that corresponding angles are congruent, the converse of that is also true. So that would say that if you have two corresponding angles that are congruent, that the lines are parallel. So we're going to look at an application of that concept. The measure of angle 3 equals 4x plus 12. The measure of angle 7 equals 80 minus x, and x equals 15. Is m parallel to n? So we can plug in 15 for x. 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. So if their angles are congruent, then that means that m is parallel to n. So we can plug in 4 times 15 plus 12 equals, does that equal 80 minus 15? And that's 60 plus 12. Does that equal 80 minus 15? 72. Does that equal 65? No. So that automatically means that m and n are not parallel.